Yeah. I spent the last 2 months of my life feeling sorry about myself, but on the real, you know you got that life if you got friends and good health. Doctors say I got a heart condition, now fuck that, I got too much heart. When I heard that shit, I swear I saw my whole world fall apart. I lost my mind around the time me and my ex split. Truth is I was selfish, and I hate the way it panned out, but I deserved it. Gotta lose yourself to find yourself, get better, not bitter. Sure I get pussy, but you know that one good one is worth the whole litter. Yeah, not afraid to admit that I've been scared of shit, but will I ever blow up or just fade right into the darkness? Feeling hopeless as fuck, praying it's never the latter. But you know certainty's never with the profession of a rapper. They can love you now, shit they'll probably hate you tomorrow. That's why you'll never find another rapper that's working harder. Been in New York for 2 months and I barely sleep in my bed. They say that sleep's a cousin of death, so fuck it, I'ma sleep when I'm dead. I said that my mom just had a stroke. I was on the road, life is precious, that shit ain't no joke. But people come, they go, friends they turn to foes, good girls turn to hoes. All because my bank account just got a couple extra O's. Yeah, I heard that hoodie diss wasn't even that pissed, cause you know jealousy and envy just a trait for a bitch. I never care about another rapper, I'm focused on me. And all that diss and shit, it really just exploits the insecurity. So fuck all that respect, grew up on hand-me-down clothes. What's the worth of an opinion when you spend